For today's cover, we're doing As It Is. They are coming back. We have always wanted to open for them. Tag them in the comments. It would mean the world to us. This is Dial Tones.
Forget me like you know you want to forget me like you know you have.
It really hurts to know that I'm why your bed's half empty. Why you sleep alone or just stare up at your ceiling. Also, happy birthday to Patty Walters. Am I all that you ever wanted? Or has it been so long that you've forgotten? All we ever share are dial tones. Take a caution or take your chances. I'll mend your heart and break it in the same breath. All we ever share are dial tones. All we ever share are dial tones. All we ever share are dial tones. Thank y'all.